If you're seeing GOG error 503, don't worry, this usually means the GOG servers are temporarily overloaded or going through maintenance. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix you can try right away, plus a quick browser cleanup step that can help the site reconnect properly. This is a fast, beginner-friendly walkthrough, so if it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, it's important to understand what error 503 means. In most cases, this is not a problem with your computer. It usually means the GOG service is having trouble responding because too many users are online, or the server is being updated. So before doing anything complicated, it's worth trying the refresh method first. To start, open your browser and go to the GOG refresh page. In the address bar, type gog.com/user/refresh and press enter. Make sure you type it exactly as shown. This page is meant to force the website to resync your account database, which can sometimes clear the issue causing the 503 error. After the page loads, give it a moment to finish completely. Don't rush this part. Let the page do its thing, then go back to your GOG library and check whether the store or your game page is working again. In many cases, this simple refresh is enough to get things moving normally again. If you still see the error after that, the next step is to clear your browser data and site permissions. This can help remove stuck or outdated website data that may be interfering with GOG. To do this in Chrome, open a new tab and go to chrome://settings/content. This takes you directly to your content settings. Once you're there, look for the option that says View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Click that to see the saved site data and permissions in your browser. Now, find the trash can icon next to the entries you want to remove and delete them. If you're not sure which entry is causing the issue, you can clear the relevant GOG-related permissions and site data to give the browser a clean start. After clearing the data, close the browser completely, then reopen it and try visiting GOG again. Sign back in if needed and check whether the 503 error is gone. This step often helps when the problem is caused by old cookies, cached site data, or a permission conflict. If the issue still continues after both steps, the problem may simply be on GOG's side, and waiting a little while is sometimes the best solution. Server errors like 503 are often temporary, so trying again later can be all you need. So to quickly recap, first try the GOG refresh page at gog.com/user/refresh, then clear your browser permissions and site data in chrome://settings/content if needed. Those two steps solve a lot of common GOG 503 issues without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes, simple tutorials, and software help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.